Hello guys and ladies, this is Premium Milk. Here is my new template, the Facebook emoji pack. So here we have a sequence of all these compositions. Let's say we are on the like one random. Let's go here. So like two random, it's over here. And like one, it's here. So if you want, here is the controller. The controller is already on like. If you want to render the smile, the haha one, so you go here and select from the controller the haha and check out this one. So you replace everything on this. Also the same for angry. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it is, exactly. Also you are able, if you want to change to make some changes in color, a little darker maybe, or the yellow. Let's go to the like one random and see if the yellow goes to another color. Yes, it goes, but I don't know if you want to do that. Anyway, you have the choice. So if you want to render one of these, you go inside the like one random, let's say. It is more than 12 seconds. And you hit composition, add render queue, and select QuickTime Movie. The best format is PNG format in order to have RGB and alpha and color straight and matted for the best transparency in alpha channel. Audio output, and if you don't want to use 4K, you have to rate it 1920. Full HD, hit OK and select your destination file, name file. So this is it. It's very simple template, but very nice moving of these small emotions made from Newton. Here is, you can see there is a hide layers that is every emotion has its own position. So I hope you like it, and also the sound effects are included. Thank you very much. Don't forget to rate. Bye bye.